There were two dances actually. One was Heeng, and the connection dance was Tsatkeh. Heeng, 5 and 1, Tsatkeh, which means the hop. Heeng starts with the finger hold down, 5 2 steps to the right. Here's 3, here's 4, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, hands come up, 6 to the left, hands go down, 7, hands come up on 8. And the second part of Heeng, right, left behind, right with a hop, open right, open left, open right, step. You cha-cha 1, you cha-cha 2, you cha-cha 3, you cha-cha 4, hands up on 5, hands stay up on 6, hands go down 7 and 8. Then right, left behind and right hop, go back, go back, go back, and stamp. That is Heeng. And then the separate dance, Tsatkeh, which you can do with Heeng, hands stay up throughout. It's right, left, right, hop on right, crossing over, step back on your left, step right to the right, 1 2 step to the right, step and kick your left, step and kick your right. You walk and you walk and you cross and you hop, step back, step right with the cha-cha-cha, step kick left, step kick right. That is Tsatkeh, okay? We'll do it now with music. Heeng. And Tsatkeh. And 5 and 1. And one more time, Tsatkeh.